Moonlit Wobble Land breathes secrets to all creatures. As the magic moon ascends, its gentle light blankets Wobble Land, coaxing creatures into a serene slumber. Creatures of all shapes begin to succumb to the night's embrace, their eyelids heavy with dreams. The peaceful glow of the magic moon casts a spell of tranquility over Wobble Land, promising sweet dreams to all. The magic moon begins its nightly song, its soothing melody washing over Wobble Land. Fantastical creatures, vibrantly colored and uniquely formed, yield to slumber as the lullaby envelops them. Amidst the glowing flora, the creatures find peace, their forms gently relaxing into the embrace of the night. Sweet dreams fill their minds, visions painted with the soft, ethereal light of the moon. Serenity blankets Wobble Land, promising rejuvenation and peace with the silent ritual of the night. In Wobble Land, the enchanting lullaby abruptly ceases, an ominous silence descends. The creatures stir restlessly, their slumber disturbed by an unknown unease. Luna the owl and Twinkle the firefly exchange a glance filled with growing concern. A palpable sense of foreboding hangs heavy in the air, signaling that something is amiss in Wobble Land. Inside the cozy treehouse, Luna and Twinkle seek comfort amidst the gentle glow of fairy lights. Shadows dance across the bookshelf as Luna's face reflects worry. Twinkle's uncontained excitement shines as she bounces with anticipation. In a moment of shared purpose, Luna declares, "I think we should investigate the source of the missing lullaby." Twinkle responds, "I'm with you. Let's find it." Luna and Twinkle enter Whispering Woods, secrets dance. Twinkle's gentle light pierces the gloom, casting an ethereal glow that teases the hidden wonders within. Woods whisper secrets. Luna and Twinkle delve onward. Shadows dance, eyes tricked. Unease grips them tightly. In this symphony of rustling leaves and veiled forms, every step forward is a step further into the embrace of mystery. Under the moon's gentle glow, Luna arrives at the ancient talking well, its stones cloaked in emerald moss. She leans forward, a hopeful whisper escaping her lips. "Have you heard the magic moon's lullaby?" The well echoes with an ethereal voice. I hold a fragment of the melody. Luna's eyes widen, reflecting the glimmering moonlight as she anticipates the well's secrets. The ancient stones of the well seem to hum with untold stories under the tranquil night sky. In the quiet of the night, the fragment of melody hangs in the air, a magical secret revealed. Deep within the talking well, Luna and Twinkle move with a shared purpose, their efforts echoing in the damp stillness. Twinkle bobs and weaves, its light cutting through the darkness. The echoing note guides them, bouncing off the stone walls. In a moment of triumph, their hands meet, capturing the sound that dances in the air. Moonlit, Luna, Twinkle near colossal starlight web. The web, an intricate tapestry of silk, resembles a hauntingly beautiful musical score. Aranya, Spider Queen, emerges, shimmering with light. Aranya 之王，夜曲回荡，每丝颤动皆是威胁。Her voice echoes through the night. The second note is trapped within my web. Only a song can release it. The moonlight intensifies, casting long shadows as Luna and Twinkle exchange a knowing glance. In the heart of Spider's cobweb, Twinkle encourages Aranya to unleash her voice. Aranya sings, her melodious voice weaving a second note of magic. The narration reveals, the note floats gently into Luna's waiting wings, adding to their growing collection. Luna's wings flutter in anticipation, eager to embrace the newest addition. Under the cloak of night, Luna and Twinkle approach Barnaby's cave with hushed steps. The air trembles with Barnaby's deafening snores, a resonant symphony echoing through the land. They exchange glances, a silent dialogue of shared trepidation. With bated breath, they peer into the abyss of Barnaby's slumber. The elusive third note hides within the bear's rhythmic, noisy breathing. Luna and Twinkle tiptoe, avoiding the giant's slumber. With a feather in hand, Luna approaches Barnaby, her movements precise and gentle. Barnaby lets out a tremendous sneeze, sending the final musical note fluttering into the air. The final note joins the others, weaving together to complete the magical lullaby. Under the moonlit sky, Luna and Twinkle chase the elusive notes, their journey leading them toward the windy peaks. Swirling mist envelops the windy peaks as the wind howls with unexpected ferocity, creating an eerie symphony amidst the tempestuous winds. A figure of swirling air materializes the grumpy night wind. The grumpy night wind confesses with a mournful tone, I didn't mean to. I was just so lonely. He continues, his voice barely audible above the wind. I blew the lullaby apart. Against the dramatic backdrop of windy peaks, Luna and Twinkle face the swirling, ominous presence of the night wind. Luna's voice soothed. We feel your pain, night wind. Twinkle, urgent, says the lullaby brings peace and dreams. Luna offered help, creating a new melody instead. Twinkle's warm voice offered hope. Join us, night wind. Under the cloak of night, Luna, Twinkle, and the night wind emerge in Wobble Land, a beacon of hope in their hands. The restored lullaby pulses with a gentle, ethereal light, painting the bizarre landscape with dancing shadows. Fluffy floofs, giggling giggles, and sleepy snoozes assemble, their hearts filled with a hopeful expectancy. Wobble Land awaits, bathed in the promise of dreams, as its inhabitants look towards the lullaby. In Wobble Land, Luna, Twinkle, and the night wind join together. Luna's voice, soft as a feather, begins the melody. Twinkle's light shines warmly, adding a gentle glow. A symphony of peace and joy spreads throughout Wobble Land. The new lullaby drifts gently through Wobble Land, and the creatures slowly drift off to sleep, their faces serene. Luna and Twinkle exchange smiles, understanding flowing between them. The night wind, no longer grumpy, joins in the melody, its whispers carrying the tune. Harmony dispels loneliness. For more beautiful stories, subscribe to Wobble Wow channel.